debris all over the floor from down there. Wonder what really happened. What? It's a Mustang? Oh man, check my Mustang out. The Mustang looks clean. Definitely not the Mustang. It's this blue one right here. Oh wow, that's messed up. Wow. People, drive safe in the snow. I mean, there's a lot of snow on the road, and the road is slippery. There's no need to be doing 50, 60 miles per hour. Remember, you have a family. If you do, if you don't, so it must be somebody out there that love you. So drive safe, slow down. If you're in a rush, call your job. Tell them you're gonna be late. This doesn't worth it. See? Slow driving. Got a lot of snow in the city today. Well, yesterday into today. Snow's still coming down, so be careful. For all my Brooklyn people, I guess y'all know where this is. Canarsie Pier. Around the boat, around the boat, round 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 the boat.